y'all, welcome back to the HEBERT house. I'm so glad you're here. So if you are a longtime follower, you will notice that today there is a new look to the HEBERT house, and that is because we are starting our new rebranded channel today, July 1st, and I am so excited. If you're new to our channel, welcome. You'll notice that in the past we have done a lot more on trying to conceive and a lot of our family things, and we're kind of redirecting our channel. It's gonna be more about cleaning, more about organizing, more about clean eating, and just how I'm using all of those things to regulate my anxiety and my postpartum depression, my postpartum anxiety. So we'll say that. So I'm really excited about the new direction of this channel, and I am ready to get into today's video. So I'm Leila, I'm the mom here at the HEBERT house. Thank you for joining us, and today's video is gonna be an organizational video on our Instagram, which I'll leave right here. I asked this week with what you guys wanted to see, whether you wanted to see linen closet organization or if you wanted to see Tupperware organization. And the vote was, I think, 58% Tupperware and like 42% linen closet. So it was really close. I'll definitely do the linen closet again soon, but I'm gonna do Tupperware today. I'm gonna show you my Tupperware cabinet. It's a mess. I was just on bed rest for 6 months while I was pregnant with our baby, and it's been 3 months since then, and this cabinet is a disaster. So I'm gonna clean it out, get rid of the stuff that we don't need, and organize the stuff that we do. So I'm gonna show you the before, I'll show you the process that I'm gonna go through during, and I'll show you the after. So I hope this gives you some motivation today to get in there, organize something, and if you do, leave me a comment below letting me know what you organized and if this video helped you to do that. And stick around, because our new channel, we will be posting a lot more organizational videos and cleaning motivation. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. All right, we're gonna start with this cabinet. I have 2 cabinets that we use for Tupperware-ish type things. So these are in my kitchen down here. So this is the first cabinet. You can see it's got like lids and smaller Tupperware down here, glass bowls and all kinds of stuff down there. And over here, it's got like colanders, the mixing bowls, all of that, and then got some more stuff kind of down there. So we're gonna take everything out. I'm gonna go through it, get rid of what we don't need. I'll show you that process, and then I'm gonna put everything back and have it organized. You can see that I cleaned out everything from these 2 cabinets, and this is all the crap that was underneath there. Like, that's a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go through, get rid of what we don't need, organize what we do. Last year we switched over to all glass Tupperware. It's just super bad for you to microwave plastic. So we switched over to this. I do have a couple plastic pieces I'm gonna get rid of and send over. Well, I don't know if I'll send them over to my mom. I don't want her microwaving them, but I'll figure out something to do with these. And then I do have these plastic pieces that I use because I make a lot of dinners for other people, and they're easy to transport, and also like we have family gatherings a lot, and I don't want to send my glass Tupperware, so I use that and send it home and tell people not to microwave it. So I've got to find places for those. So I'm gonna go through this first and get rid of everything that I don't need, and then I will organize. Okay, I got rid of a lot of like just junk. I kept my storage, or like my giveaway containers, and I kept all my glass containers and a couple other things, but got rid of a lot of the junk. So I'm gonna show you what I kept and what I got rid of. Okay, so this is all stuff I got rid of, just like random plastic containers, don't have lids, maybe have lids. An ice tray that doesn't fit with the other ones. This is like this slap chop thing that I don't even know where I got it from, but I never use it. All of these tiny containers just bounce around the dishwasher and never really get clean. Some like popcorn buckets we got from events. Just a lot of like little small pieces that I just didn't need anymore. And this is the stuff that I kept, which is like our tops, all of our glass Tupperware, my corn on the cob holders, my graters, some plastic containers to give away, my Pampered Chef cutting board mats, and then just these are containers I have to give away when people come over, my strainers, and then these like little berry baskets. And that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize this cabinet. I don't feel like I'm gonna need all this space, so we'll see how I actually get it to go together. All right, I forgot to tell you guys, before I put all this stuff back in, I am going to clean out the shelves real good and all the baskets, and I'm gonna use this. This is the Method Anti-Bac, and it's my new favorite cleaning supply. It's not new, but it's new to me, and I literally just ordered 3 more bottles from the Grove so I wouldn't run out. I love this stuff. And if you want to get it, I get it from the Grove Collaborative, which is a cleaning website. I have a link down below if you'd like to try them. And you can get a free Miss Meyers set, I think with like a $20 purchase or $25 purchase. But that's where I get this from. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down real good before putting anything back in. Here's what I decided to do. All my lids are here, glass containers and Tupperware are here. Down here I have all of my like giveaway Tupperware when we have get-togethers, and then some plastic like berry dishes over here in this cabinet. And I may still change this up a little bit because it's a lot of room. I could add stuff to this, but I have my big measuring bowls, my small measuring bowls, my cutting boards, my strainer and my mixing bowls, my graters, the ice cube trays are back there, and my dressing dispenser. So I love this. It's a lot more simple. It's a lot neater, obviously, and I think I can find things a lot easier. Oh, y'all just missed Birch. So I think I'm liking this. All right, so I'm pretty excited how this turned out. This was just a short little job that I've been needing to get done, and I'm finding that if I just tackle these little jobs one at a time, they get done faster and my mind gets a little bit more clear with every job. It's like eating an elephant, which is one of my favorite stories, is how do you eat an elephant? The only way to eat an elephant is one bite at a time, which is what I'm doing with these cabinets, just trying to get my house back in order. So I'm excited to share more of these organizational videos with you, and I hope this motivates you and inspires you. If you have a section of my house you would like to see me organize, please comment down below, let me know, and I'll try to get to those very soon. I'm only gonna be doing just probably one or so organization project a week, so I definitely want your recommendations so I can make sure I get those up. I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you for coming to check out our channel. We're very excited to have more content up very soon, and y'all have a good day. God bless.